I met Dr. Rugge as part of an interview now over 10 years ago, 12 years probably, and immediately felt that there was a broader mission here. When I joined the network, I got involved doing a lot of clinical work in the health center, but also hospital work at that time. But also very early on started spending quite a bit of time with Dr. Rugge, driving mostly up and down the Northway, going to meetings in Albany, a few in Washington. He had an interesting way of multitasking while driving. So gradually over time, I did the bulk of the driving with some coaching from him and my driving skills. But in the process, I got to observe him really closely and talking with people on the phone, sort of thinking through complicated topics, strategic conversations, an incredible history of a career built in the space between clinical work and policy work. And it was actually really a lot of fun. And so we had a great time driving, basically all over the North Country, Vermont, Albany. And along the way, I think there was a secret curriculum that I didn't really totally appreciate at the time, but it was, certainly deep in the history of the network, the philosophy of the network, the philosophy of the work we do, the impact, the potential of the network. And so that was I think a really, really rich experience for me that I feel super fortunate to have been able to, have that opportunity. And I remember once John saying that, this work is really in the air, sort of implying that it's in the air that you breathe. And it does. It has to become sort of something that you do all the time. But I learned too to not give up on some of the other things I really love to do and activities with my family. And for me, the approach has really been about how to make sure I pace myself and sustain the work and build the teams around me that I need for that and the network needs for that. And so I learned both the good and the bad, and what I would hope to make my experience look and feel like in the future. And I had, I think, a good opportunity to have an invaluable mentor, but also some room to try some things out for myself and see where they lead.